Today I'm making faux or fake stained glass. I have a thin piece of clear plastic here, transparency sheet, and I'm going to start spreading some Mod Podge on it. Mod Podge is basically glue, craft glue. I'll dip my paintbrush into the Mod Podge, and I'm going to start painting just a section at a time of my transparency sheet with the Mod Podge, just spreading it on there in small sections so that it doesn't dry out. When I'm done painting one section, I'm going to start laying down some tissue paper on top, sticking it on the Mod Podge. I'm being very careful, laying it flat so that it doesn't bunch up or tear. I'm thinking about a color scheme. I'm going to do a rainbow color scheme. And then I'll just keep painting more sections of the transparency sheet with the Mod Podge and laying down the tissue paper carefully until most of the sheet is filled up. Okay, most of my transparency sheet has been covered with tissue paper. I'm just filling in the little gaps with smaller pieces of tissue paper to make sure I got the whole thing covered. Now I'm not done yet because I need to do one last very important step, and that is to spread a layer of Mod Podge over the whole thing. So I'm spreading very gently and carefully. I'm kind of going with the direction that the tissue paper is laying in so as not to wrinkle it up or tear it. And I'm going to spread Mod Podge over the whole thing. This is going to give our faux stained glass a shiny, glassy look, just like real stained glass. Once my project is covered with a nice layer of Mod Podge, I'm going to keep it on the placemat and put it into the drying rack to dry.